What are blocks? As a teacher, you can add blocks to the side of your main learning area. In this course, using the standard Boost theme, the blocks are on the right. In this course, with the different standard theme, Classic, there are blocks on both sides, and note that the Classic theme does not have the nav drawer. Check with your admin if your course has a theme different from the two here. Blocks are elements which add extra information or learning content to your course. On small screens, blocks will move down underneath the course section as here. In our teacher Sam's new course, there are no blocks at the moment, but she can add blocks by turning on the editing and then clicking the Add Block link in the nav drawer. Here she can add useful blocks to her course. Once added, blocks may be hidden or deleted from the gear or cog menu. They may also be moved around with the crosshairs icon by clicking and holding the crosshairs icon and selecting a location to move them to, or by simply dragging and dropping. Here, for example, Sam is moving the online users block underneath the latest badges block.